हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू पीसीएस सक्सेसफुल। सो इस वीडियो में हम अभी करने वाले हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस रामसर साइट्स के ऊपर। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑन रामसर साइट्स। सो रामसर साइट्स के ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड कर दिया है और उसमें मैंने थॉरली रामसर साइट्स से रिलेटेड जितने भी टॉपिक हैं उसे कवर करने की कोशिश की है। अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आप एक बार जाकर वो वीडियो देख लें, उसके बाद ये क्वेश्चन सेशन को अटेम्प्ट करें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। और पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट? रामसर साइट्स आर डिक्लेयर्ड एज पर द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द इन्वायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ द रेस्पेक्टिव कंट्रीज। सेकेंड, द कंट्री विद द हाइएस्ट नंबर ऑफ साइट्स is the United Kingdom at 170, and the country with the greatest area of listed wetland is Bolivia. So here option 1 is correct. Ramsar sites are declared by the Environment Ministry of the respective countries, but United Kingdom has total 175 Ramsar sites, and it is highest number in the world. And Bolivia has greatest area listed under wetlands. Bolivia has greatest area of listed wetlands. So option 2 is not correct, as 170 is not the correct number. United Kingdom has total 175 Ramsar sites. So only option 1 is correct. Coming to the next question, which of the following statement is correct? 1. Vembantkol is India's longest lake. Second, the Vembantkol wetland system was included in the list of wetlands of international importance as defined by the Ramsar Convention. So here option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. It is a Ramsar site, Vembantkol. It is in Kerala. Vembantkol कहाँ है? केरला में. But Vembantkol is not the longest lake. Longest lake is Pongongso Lake in Ladakh. But Vembantkol is the largest lake in India. So here only option number 2 is only correct. So option B is the correct choice. Next, which country has highest number of Ramsar sites in South Asia? So in South Asia, India has highest number of Ramsar sites, till date 49, and Bangladesh has just 2. Those are Sundarban and Tangram Hwar. And next is Myanmar. Myanmar has 3. It's Tangwar Hwar. And in Myanmar, Moyungi Wildlife Sanctuary, Indawai Wildlife Sanctuary, Main Mahla Kyun Wildlife Sanctuary, not Kyunki, Kyun Wildlife Sanctuary. Kyun Wildlife Sanctuary. And in China, there are total 64, but it is not part of South Asia. Next is, match the following Ramsar sites with states. Astamudi Wetland. So Astamudi Wetland is in Kerala. So 1 का हो जाएगा 3. दीपोर बिल. सो दीपोर बिल असम में है, तो 2 का हो जाएगा 4. होकेटसर वेटलैंड ये कहाँ पर है? जम्मू कश्मीर में है, तो 3 का हो जाएगा 2. और पोंगडैम लेक है हिमाचल प्रदेश में, तो 4 का हो जाएगा 5. एंड क्यूलादेव ये है राजस्थान में, 5 का 1. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी. ये करेक्टली मैच है. नेक्स्ट, which of the following statement is correct? Koledu is a brackish water lake. 1. Koledu is a brackish water lake. 2. It is designated as a wetland of international importance under the International Ramsar Convention. 3. It is in Andhra Pradesh. So 2 and 3 are correct. Koledu is in Andhra Pradesh and it is a Ramsar site. But Koledu is not a brackish water lake. Koledu lake is located in the Andhra Pradesh and forms the largest shallow freshwater lake in Asia, lying between the Krishna and Godavari delta. So Koledu lake is between Krishna and Godavari delta. So only option D is correct. 2 and 3 are only correct. Which among the following is a glaciatic wetland? And the options are 1. Nilnag in Kashmir, 2. Chandratal in Himachal Pradesh, 3. Deepor Bill in Assam, and 4. Loktak in Manipur. So only Chandratal is glaciatic wetland, and Nilnag in Kashmir is tectonic wetland, Loktak is oxbow wetland, and Deepor Bill is storm water storage basin in Guwahati city, and it is a permanent freshwater lake in a former channel of the Brahmaputra river, and Chandratal is glaciatic wetland. Next is, where is Surinsar Mansarovar lake located? And Surinsar Mansarovar lake is located in Jammu and Kashmir. In which year India signed the Ramsar Convention? So India signed the Ramsar Convention on 1st February 1982 और चिलिका और क्योल्दो को रामसर साइट्स का दर्जा मिला था कब? 1981 में. Which of the following, next is which of the following is a Ramsar site? 1. Khijadia Wildlife Sanctuary, 2. Vadhwana Wetland, 3. Thol Lake Wildlife Sanctuary, all of the above. So all three are Ramsar sites. All three are Ramsar sites and these are from Gujarat. Next, which of the following Ramsar site is in part of Central Asia Flyway route? And the correct option is Sultanpur. Sultanpur National Park in Gurgaon district of Haryana. This is part of Central Asia Flyway route. और Flyway route क्या होता है? तो Flyway route is a whole area covered by the migratory birds. Whole area covered by the migratory birds over the course of annual cycle, including breeding and non-breeding grounds and the connecting migration routes, that is stopovers. Next, which of the following is a sedimentation reservoir? And options are Rudrasagar in Tripura, Renuka Lake, Chandra Lake and Nilnag in Kashmir. So Nilnag tectonic lake है, Chandratal glaciatic lake है, Renuka Lake लार्जेस्ट नेचुरल फ्रेश वाटर लेक है हिमाचल प्रदेश का, बट रुद्रासागर इन त्रिपुरा ये सेडिमेंटेशन रिजर्वॉयर है. नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट? 1. दीपोट लेक असम, 2. सांबर लेक राजस्थान, 3. सो हियर 3 and 4 बोथ आर इनकरेक्ट. ओकेरा वेटलैंड कहाँ है? जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में है, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में है. और रोपर लेक जो है ये पंजाब में है, पंजाब में. So these two options are incorrect. Which of the following is the largest wetland of the world? So largest wetland of the world is Pantanal. Pantanal wetland. It is in Brazil. So Pantanal is the largest wetland of the world and it is also a Ramsar site. But in India, Astamudi is largest. Sorry, Sundarban is largest in India. And next is the Ramsar site in India are listed with their famous features. Identify the correct one. First is Ular Lake. 2 oxbow lakes merge in this lake. Second, Sambar Lake. It is the largest inland salt lake in India. 3. Somoriri. It is a breeding ground for black-necked cranes now in China. 4. Loktak Lake. It is famous for fumdis. So 4 is correct. 4 is correct. Loktak Lake is famous for fumdis. And Ular Lake is a freshwater lake. The lake basin was formed as a result of tectonic activity and is fed by Jhelum river and the stream Madhumati. Sambar Lake, it is India's largest inland salt lake and is located inland. It is largest. So Sambar Lake is India's largest inland salt lake. This one is also correct. The 2 options here are correct. So let's take one more option. Option number 5. More than 1. More than 1. More than 1. More than 1 are correct. So here option 2 and 4 both are correct. Now Somoriri is only breeding ground outside China. It is not inside, but it is outside China. It is in Jammu and Kashmir for one of the most endangered crane, the black-necked crane, and the only breeding ground for bar-headed geese in India. Somoriri. Next, Kabartal wetland was designated as a Ramsar site in 2020. In which of the following state it is located? So Kabartal, also known as Kawar Jheel, it is located in Begusarai district of Bihar. Begusarai district of Bihar, Kawar Jheel. Also the site is one of the 18 wetlands within an extensive floodplain complex. और ये जो कावड़ झील है, दिस इज़ अ ऑक्सबो लेक. ऑक्सबो लेक है ये, और कैसे फॉर्म हुआ है? तो ये मेंडरिंग ऑफ बूढ़ी गंडक, उसका आउटकम है ये, मेंडरिंग ऑफ बूढ़ी गंडक, दिस कावड़ झील. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ रामसर वेटलैंड? सो हेयर द रामसर वेटलैंड इज Pongdam Lake. Dal Lake is not Ramsar site and Western Ghats is also not Ramsar sites. So Pong Dam Lake, also known as Maharana Pratap Sagar, and it is a vast water storage reservoir created in 1975 on the Beas River. Also in 1994, Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India declared it a wetland of national importance, and in 2002 it was declared as Ramsar site. So that's all for today. Hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.